Assalamu alaikum student mathematics 4024. Welcome to Maths Guru. Student, one more question on paper 1, and this question is: the diagram shows an isosceles triangle ABC and an equilateral triangle BDE. We have a figure in which we have a lot of triangles, but the information in the question is given as: the diagram shows an isosceles triangle ABC. This ABC triangle is basically an isosceles triangle. You can see the mark over this side AC and side CB. These two sides are equal to each other. Uh, that is why this is an isosceles triangle. And the other information is that we also have an equilateral triangle BDE. So this triangle BDE is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is a triangle in which all the three sides are equal. That is why you are seeing this a double sign over here. This side BD is equal to this side EB, and this these two are also equal to BD. So all the three sides are equal. If all the three sides are equal, this means all the interior angles will also be equal. And you know that the sum of interior angles of a triangle, the sum of interior angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degree. So 180 divided by 3, since there are three angles inside, so 180 divided by 3 will give you 60. So these angles are equal to 60 60 each. So I will just write 60 over here, and this is also 60, and this is also 60. So that is the first line of the question. In the first line, the information is: we have two triangles. ABC is an isosceles triangle, a triangle in which two sides are equal, and BDE is an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle is a triangle in which all the three sides and the three angles are equal. D is the intersection of AB and CE. This point D is basically the intersection of two straight lines, that is CE and EB. And angle BAC is given as 28 degrees. This angle BAC, this is given as 28 degrees. We have to find the value of this x. Since these two are straight lines, and we know that the straight line angle is equals to 180 degrees. So if this angle is 60, so I can find out the other angle, because I know that this complete angle from here till here, this is equals to 180. And since a part of this is equals to 60, so I can find out the rest by just subtracting 180 and 60. 180 minus 60 will give me 120. So this angle is 120 degrees. So I can write it like this. So this is 120. And what else I can extract? And since I have to find the value of this x is a part of this triangle, and I I don't have this angle right now, but if I can find out this angle, I will be able to find out the value of x. And yes, I know this angle. How? Because this triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, and since these two sides are equal, the angle opposite to them will also be equal. So CB, the angle opposite to CB is 28 degrees. So the angle opposite to AC will also be equal to 28. So now I can find out the value of x very easily. How? Now concentrating on the triangle CDB, since the three angles are x, and the next one is 120, and the third angle is 28, and I know that the sum of interior angles of a triangle is equals to 180. So I will just add these three and will equate it with 180 degrees. And now I will just simplify it to find out the value of x. 120 plus 28 will give me 148. So 180 minus 148, this will shift on the other side and it will get subtracted. 120 plus 28 will give me 148, and the value of x is coming out as 32 degrees.